Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Jira Cloud API OAuth, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the basics of OAuth 2.0 and its role in authorizing with the Jira Cloud API. Visit the Atlassian developer portal to familiarize yourself with API documentation. Create an Atlassian account if you don't have one already. Log in to the Atlassian developer portal. Navigate to the developers section. Select Create App to initiate the app registration process. Fill in your app details, including the name and a brief description. For the OAuth 2.0 client type, choose Web Application. Specify your redirect URL, which should be a valid endpoint that can handle the response. After creating the app, note down your client ID and client secret. Go to the OAuth 2.0 section in your app settings. Set the correct scopes for your access, such as read to Jira work or write to Jira work. Generate a scope URL to use. To initiate the OAuth flow, construct the authorization URL. Include your client ID, redirect URI, and requested scopes in this URL. Direct the user to this authorization URL to prompt them to grant access. After granting access, the user will be redirected to your specified redirect URI with an authorization code. Extract the authorization code from the redirect response. Next, exchange this authorization code for an access token. Make a POST request to the token endpoint provided in the API documentation. Include your client ID, client secret, the authorization code, and the redirect URI in the request body. Receive the access token and save it securely for making API calls. Use this access token in the authorization header for subsequent API requests. Remember to monitor the token's expiration and handle refresh tokens as necessary. By following these steps, you can successfully authorize with the Jira Cloud API using OAuth 2.0. Always refer to the official documentation for any updates or changes to the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.